To capture your entire screen, press the Print Screen button, and the screenshot will be copied to your clipboard. Open an application like Word or Paint and paste to view the image. For Windows users, you can press Windows key plus Print Screen to take a screenshot and automatically save the file. You can find the saved file in the Pictures folder under Screenshots. To capture only the active window, press Alt plus Print Screen. The screenshot will be copied to your clipboard. Again, open an application like Word or Paint and paste to see the image. In Windows 10, use the keyboard shortcut Windows plus Shift plus S to activate Snip and Sketch. You can choose different options for taking screenshots and edit them with drawing tools. After taking the screenshot, it's copied to your clipboard. Click on the preview notification to open the Snip and Sketch app and save, share, or edit the screenshot. In Windows 11, you can search for Snipping tool or press Windows plus Shift plus S to open it. Customize your snipping mode and set a delayed capture. Once you've captured the screenshot, you can annotate it using drawing tools. To save the file, click Save As or use the shortcut Ctrl plus S and choose a location. For gamers, press Windows plus G to open the game bar. Click the camera icon or use the shortcut Windows plus Alt plus Print Screen to take a screenshot. To view your saved images, click Show All Captures or go to the Videos folder under Captures.